Yeah, children, assertions and reasonings. Assertions and reasonings, some more question we will do, children. Please see here. First question. I am reading out assertion. Please tell children whether it's correct or not. Combustion reactions are exothermic.
True, sir.
True. Combustion reactions are exothermic always. Deliberate law. Carbon dioxide, water, energy. Many of the times. Organic compounds. Okay. In these reactions, oxygen is added and heat energy is released.
True, sir. Correct explanation.
Oxygen is added and energy is released is also correct explanation. So answer is A. Second question. Sodium and potassium are stored in kerosene.
True.
True. Reasoning. Sodium and potassium belongs to group 1A, so they are alkali metals. True.
True. But not correct
But
explanation.
not why they are stored in kerosene?
Because they react, they catch fire when they
Because they
react with
catch
air.
fire when they exposed to air or moisture. That is the reason. Not because they are first group, they are stored in kerosene. They catch fire when exposed to air or moisture. That is the reason. Highly reactive metals there. Third one, children. Aluminium oxide is amphoteric oxide.
True, sir.
Aluminium, what are amphoteric oxides which can react
You
with
can
both acids
get
and
both acids and base.
and they react acids as well as base to form
True.
salt and water. Correct explanation. Okay. Fourth question. If you know, you answered. You can say, children. Metallic character decreases across the period.
True.
True. Along the period, metallic character decreases and non-metallic character increases. Metals are electronegative.
False, sir.
Metals are
Electropositive.
electropositive. Metals are electropositive. This is true. This is wrong. So option is
C.
C. Okay, children. Next question. Assertion reasoning. Please see here, children. Like these questions, they will give children board exam. This is board exam questions only. Sodium bicarbonate is used as antacid.
True, sir.
True, sir.
True. Reasoning. Because it is a mild base which utilizes the acidity of gastric juice.
True, sir.
True.
True.
Option
Correct
A.
explanation. Okay, children. Like these questions, you will get children in board exams. Easy questions. Bleaching powder has strong smell of chlorine. CaOCl2. Bleaching powder has chlorine smell.
True.
Bleaching powder is white powder and an oxidizing agent. It's a white powder oxidizing agent. True, but it is not correct explanation. Okay.
Option B.
Okay. So option is B. Now next question. Did I miss any question? 1 second, children. Metallic character. Isotopes have same atomic mass.
False.
False. They have same atomic number. Isotopes have same atomic number, not same mass number. Okay. Isotopes have same atomic number, but and have similar properties. Same atomic number, similar
True.
properties. True. This is wrong. This is true. So option is
D.
D. Eighth question. Ethylene is unsaturated hydrocarbon.
Ethylene, yes, sir.
Ethylene C2H4 is unsaturated. Double bond is there.
True.
Yes. Reasoning. Ethylene contains carbon-carbon triple bond.
False.
False. It is having double bond. Ethylene has C2H4 double bond, not triple bond. So what is option? C.
C.
Okay, children, like this you have to answer. Next one. Some more we'll discuss, children. Some more we'll discuss. Assertions and reasonings. Some more. Okay, children. First assertion. One second. One second, children, not getting much questions. Yeah. Next. Next, children. Assertion and reasoning. Some more questions, children. From physics we are discussing. Refractive index of diamond is 2.42. Refractive means he's saying indirectly, okay, refractive index of diamond is 2.42, very difficult to remember children, but
True.
please remember in some
True,
cases
sir.
it is true. Refractive index of diamond is 2.42. Okay, and reasoning, diamond is the hardest substance on the earth.
Uh,
It is
True, sir,
also
but no,
true.
it's not the correct
It's
explanation.
correct explanation also, Nana. Hardest substance means density is more only, no, Nana. Hardest substance means density is more only, no. What more? How you will explain density? Refractive index this 2.42. Optical density or refractive index you can't explain other than this. One more, children. From physics, I'm telling children some questions. Assertion: red has longest wavelength.
true.
True,
True,
sir.
sir.
True, red has longest wavelength. Reasoning, reasoning. Children, red is least deviated. This is
True.
also true. Okay,
But
children,
not
this is
correct.
also true. But the least deviated is also true. Highest, children, we can't say correct explanation, children, because it is
Yes.
scatters less is the correct explanation. Longest wavelength, it scatters less is the correct explanation. So we can say B. Okay, next one, children. Next one. Okay, so assertion, children. Potential is directly proportional to current.
True.
According to which law is correct?
Ohm's law.
Ohm's law.
True. Reasoning. Reasoning. Potential. Resistance is taken as constant.
True. But not correct.
Resistance is taken as constant, but it is true, but it is not correct.
Not correct explanation.
What is correct explanation? As you increase potential, current also
Also
increases.
increases.
Resistance we are keeping true, but it's not correct explanation. Okay, children? I hope you are able to understand. Okay, children? Next, assertion. Magnetic field lines do not intersect.
True.
True.
Magnetic field lines do not intersect. True or false?
True.
True, sir.
Why they don't intersect? If they intersect,
Magnetic field will be in two directions, which is not
which
possible.
is not possible. Outside they always travel from south to north.
False.
Outside they travel from south to north.
False.
False. And so true, false means which option?
C.
C. Okay, children, some biology questions, children. Some biology questions once again. Yeah, some biology questions. First question. Yep. Amoeba reproduces by fission.
Binary.
True, sir.
Fission, it's correct. Okay. Amoeba reproduces by fission.
True, sir.
Okay. Reasoning. All unicellular organisms reproduces by fission.
True.
False.
False.
No,
False.
different are there.
False.
Budding is there. Fragmentation is there. False. So which is option?
C.
C. Next. Next one, children. 1 second. Yeah. Enzymes are called biocatalysts.
True.
Enzymes are called biocatalysts. Anyone?
True, sir.
True. What is an enzyme which helps in digestion?
Digestion.
Water catalyst which speeds up the reaction.
Reaction.
Okay. In chemistry, what is an enzyme? In the biology, same thing is in chemistry, what is catalyst? In biology, that is enzyme. Enzymes are called biocatalysts. True. Okay. True. Enzyme speeds up the rate of reaction. True. And this is
True.
also correct explanation.
Correct explanation.
Okay. So
A.
answer is A. True, and it's also correct explanation. Answer is A. Veins have thin walls.
Yes,
True.
sir.
Veins have thin walls. True or false?
True.
True. Because veins don't have valves.
False.
Veins don't
They
have
have.
valves. That is also true. See,
But not the
not correct explanation.
not correct
Veins will
explanation.
have no, sir, to prevent backflow of blood.
Oh, yeah. What did I say? Veins do not have valves, I said.
Yes, sir.
Veins have valves. So this is sorry. Yeah. Veins have valves to prevent backward flow of blood. Veins have valves to prevent backward flow of blood. 16th. Phloem helps in transportation of starch.
True.
True. Okay. This is an active transport. This is also true and is also correct explanation, children. Active transport means which uses energy. Which uses ATP in the form of energy. True, children. This is also true. Next question, children. Assertion reasoning. You should be very, very careful, children. Stomach can expand and relax.
True.
Stomach can expand and relax. Yes, children, true, because it has folds.
Muscle.
Of course, it's not there in your
Intramuscle.
syllabus. It's not there in your syllabus. That folds of the stomach are called rugae. In higher classes, you will study. For stomach can expand and relax. True or false?
True.
True.
Reasoning. Reasoning, you see, children. He is saying it is having folds like brain. He is saying it is having folds like brain.
False.
It is, yes,
True, sir.
folds it is having. True.
Right.
Correct explanation only. Okay, of course, brain is fold like this, children. Brain is also having folds. Stomach is also having folds. Brain is also having folds. Upper folds are called sulci. Down folds are called gyri. Sorry, upper folds are called gyri. Down folds are called sulci in brain. How brain is folded, in the same way stomach is also folded to expansion and relaxation. Yes, true, children. 18th question. Because stomach is there in your syllabus, but heart is brain is not there in your syllabus, children. Anyway, you should be careful, children, like these questions. Next one. Male reproductive parts are stamens.
True.
Male reproductive parts are stamens. Please mute your audios. None of you mute your audios. Male reproductive organs are stamens. True or false?
True.
True, sir.
Filament, anther, pollen grains. Reasoning, you see, children. They help in producing pollen. True.
True,
and
sir.
false. Because they'll give pollen, they are male gametes, that's why they will go, children. Okay, so children, some more we'll discuss in the next classes, children. All over whatever I have discussed.